my voice, so that just means my remarks will be shorter. I don't really have an entourage. I've been traveling with Chief Justice Cliff Taylor, but my prop has disappeared, so I don't even know where he is today. But I just want to put this into perspective for you. Once upon a time, we all thought of ourselves as a self-governing people who made our public policy through our elected officials and in our Constitution. And the role of judges was very limited. We resolved disputes arising under the statutes and the Constitution by interpreting those documents according to their plain meaning. We didn't make public policy because that belonged to the other branches of government. But somewhere along the way, people in the law schools and the academies decided that the people really weren't smart enough to be self-governing. And there arose a imperial judiciary. Judges who believed that they were alone capable of making these refined social policy decisions. And if you think I'm exaggerating, think about that West Coast state where the people passed through an initiative a statute on a very controversial public policy issue, only to have their Supreme Court say, no, I'm sorry people, you didn't make the right policy choice, and they overturned it. And then the people said, I think we are self-governing. And they passed, by initiative, a constitutional amendment. And now we're waiting to see whether the California Supreme Court will allow the people to have their own initiative, their constitution as they created it. Now that's a stark contrast to Michigan, which has had 4 conservative, traditional judges who believed in the role of judging as I've just described, until last November, when through lies, they suggested that Chief Justice Taylor was sleeping. It was a lie. And the people who propagated it knew it was a lie. And Justice Weaver, who propagated it, knew it was a lie. But it worked. It wasn't Justice Taylor who was asleep last November, it was us. Now, if you think it can't get any worse in Michigan, fall asleep again in 2010. I thank you for your past support, and I hope